Join me as I hunt for genuine leather gloves for just $5 on Temu. Can I actually find a deal that good? Genuine leather gloves for just $5 sounds too good to be true, right? I mean, leather products are expensive, and anything that's genuinely leather usually comes with a hefty price tag. But Temu claims to offer authentic leather gloves at a price point that's hard to resist. It sounds crazy, but hear me out. What if the company is actually trying to disrupt the industry by offering high-quality products at a fraction of the cost? Another thing that makes me skeptical about these gloves is the fact that they're being sold on Temu, a platform that's known for its affordable prices and huge product range. Don't get me wrong, I love Temu. I've gotten some amazing deals from them in the past, but I've also gotten some pretty sketchy products that didn't quite live up to their claims. So it's natural to wonder if these gloves are just another example of a company trying to make a quick buck by selling low-quality products to unsuspecting buyers. Material quality, at least based on the product descriptions and reviews, seems to be quite good. Users are raving about the softness and suppleness of the leather, and the stitching looks solid and well done. Of course, we'll have to take a closer look to see if these claims hold up in real life. Compared to other brands that offer genuine leather gloves, Temu's offerings seem to be pretty competitive in terms of price and quality. I mean, you can easily spend upwards of $50 on a pair of gloves from a high-end brand, and even then there's no guarantee that they'll be made from the best materials. So, if Temu can deliver on its promise of genuine leather gloves for just $5, that's a game changer. Now that we've taken a closer look at the gloves available on Temu, it's time to reveal our findings. Do these gloves actually live up to the claim of being genuine leather for just $5? I have to say, I was impressed. The material quality is surprisingly good. The leather is soft, supple, and has a nice natural texture to it. And the stitching is solid and well done, with no loose threads or nasty surprises. Of course, the biggest test of any product is how it holds up in real life. So I decided to put the gloves through their paces, wearing them for a few days to see how they would fare. And I have to say I was pleasantly surprised. The gloves are comfortable, the leather is durable, and they've held up remarkably well to daily wear and tear. In conclusion, if you're looking for a great pair of genuine leather gloves on a budget, Temu's offerings are definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've had any experiences with budget leather products, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want to see more product reviews and discoveries, be sure to check out my next video.